Hi, this is Nick. In this video, I will share how to create a chart with dynamic X and Y axes so that users can select different dimensions as the X axis and also select one KPI measure at a time. Step 1. Create all the measures for KPIs as you normally would. Step 2. Make sure the format of all the measures are set up properly in percentage or 1 or 2 decimal points. Step 3. Create a parameter to have a list of all the KPI measures, and we call that y-axis parameter. Step 4. Create another parameter to have a list of all the dimensions, such as country, products, departments, for x-axis. Step 5. Please make sure both slicers are single select. Step 6. Create a bar chart with the two parameters we just created. Step 7. For dynamic title, please note for step 7.2, do not change anything under text because the title will be dynamic automatically. Step 8. Friendly reminder to set up the sorting. Enjoy Power BI and have fun.